At the end, you can actually modernize before you start the journey and make a call on whether to modernize or migrate. And we have processes, assessments, and technologies to do so. But you can also understand modernization as an optimization technique. You can basically lift and shift, measure after that. If you have a strong FinOps partner like SoftwareOne, you can actually understand the cost and knowing if the application is behaving as you expected. And if the answer is no, you can get that application to the modernization backlog. So at the end, we understand modernization as a tool, of course, to optimize your cloud journey, to just make a better migration by design. But we also think it's a perfect optimization tool after you've done lift and shift to make sure you actually improve the value you're getting from the app once that app is in the cloud. At the end, we kind of see modernization as a continuous cycle. And in fact, when you look at our managed services, we are talking now about continuous modernization because we think this is a discipline, right? In some cases, it's very difficult to make the business case to move from a core legacy app to an actually state-of-the-art cloud application. It's just too expensive, it's just too long. So you can actually think about, hey, maybe let's try to lift it and shift, then let's try to make it run on a PaaS. And then let's start improving things like security, we can improve things like scalability, reliability, until we can actually, decide to do microservices and maybe build a core, proper cloud app. So it's basically more an innovation cycle, a continuous modernization process, than a point-in-time migration effort.